Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for November 3rd, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is sandwiches. Doc McStuffin's Brontosaurus Breath by Sheila, Sweeney, Higginson. Grumble, grumble, roar, roar. That's not the sound of a dinosaur. It's Doc's tummy growling loudly. Good thing it's time for lunch. Doc chomps her turkey sandwich. Donnie chomps his salami sandwich. You look hungry, Bronte, says Donnie. He gives Bronte a bite of salami. Then he races off to soccer practice. Doc and her toys are ready. It's time to go out and play. Lammy sees Lenny looking lonely. She jumps on Bronte's back. The dinosaur delivery service is ready to ride. Their job, cuddles for all. Hi, Lenny, Bronte says. We're here to give you a cuddle. The dinosaur delivery service can't cuddle Lenny. He's racing away from them. Lammy sees Big Jack and Little Jack. I bet they could use a cuddle, she says. Let's go, Bronte roars. Hi, Big Jack, Bronte says. Hi, Little Jack. We're here to give you a cuddle. The dinosaur delivery service can't cuddle Big Jack and Little Jack. They're jumping back into their boxes. Lammy sees Squeakers. Squeakers must want a cuddle, she says. Great, Bronte roars. Hi, Squeakers, Bronte says. We're here to give you a cuddle. The dinosaur delivery service can't cuddle Squeakers. He's diving under the water. Why is everyone running away from us? Asks Lammy. Just then, Stuffy runs up. Need hug, he pants. Lammy wants to give her friend a cuddle. Hi, Stuffy, Bronte says. Stuffy? Oh no, Stuffy passes out. Yikes, Lammy says. What's that smell? Doc smells it too. It smells like it's time for someone's checkup. Doc takes the patient to her clinic, but Doc's patient is not Stuffy. It's Bronte. Doc tells Bronte he has bad breath. She needs to check his teeth. Open wide, Doc says. Doc pulls something from Bronte's mouth. It's a piece of salami. You have stinky salami breath, Bronte, says Doc. When food gets stuck in your teeth, it can smell bad, Doc says. Doc gives Bronte a toothbrush and toothpaste. She shows him how to brush his teeth. I'm not sticking that thing in my mouth, says Bronte. Lammy has a great idea. The friends can have a toothbrushing party. They can show Bronte that it's fun. Bronte wants to join the party. He brushes his teeth with his friends. My teeth feel nice and clean, he says. Bronte is all better now, but will his friends want to play with Bronte again? Of course they will. Doc's tips on brushing your teeth. It's important to brush your teeth for healthy teeth and gums and fresh breath. Brush your teeth at least twice a day after meals. Brush for 2 minutes each time. 1 minute on top and 1 minute on bottom. The end. All right, we're going to make a paper plate Brontosaurus. And you'll need some paint. I chose green. You'll need a glue stick. And your Craft-To-Go kit, which includes a little sponge. That's what we're going to paint with. Half a paper plate. Brontosaurus feet. A Brontosaurus tail. And a Brontosaurus head. And first thing we're gonna do is glue all these parts on, and it's gonna look just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You probably don't need to watch me do it. I'll just glue the head on, and then you're gonna have to hold it down for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. And I'll just glue the rest together, and then I'll show you what it looks like. My Brontosaurus is all glued together. Now all we need to do is paint. And to paint, we're just gonna take the sponge and dip it in the paint and dab it on the paper plate and the legs and the head and the tail. And you can see a little paint goes a long way. And the sponge will leave this really nice texture behind if you dab it. If you change your mind and decide to smear it, it won't leave the nice texture. But I'm just going to cover the whole thing with green paint, and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay, my Brontosaurus is totally covered, as are my fingers, but that's okay. Now just let it dry, and that's really all there is to it. You got your sponge painted paper plate Brontosaurus.